Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing here of the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This one is going to be in the white color. I also am doing a 16 Pro and a regular 16 as well unboxing today. And of course we'll have a whole bunch of, ooh, that's a nice white. We'll have a whole bunch of comparison videos coming out as well. So stay tuned for those. So of course you get the nice beautiful white. We'll come back to that in just a second here. Nice braided cable. And then you also have your paperwork there. Not too exciting of unboxings these days, except for, of course, the phone themselves. That white is... Okay, I had to make sure that wasn't the paper at first. That white is crazy, crazy. I mean, that's as white as this paper is. Look at that. I had to make sure that wasn't the actual paper. That white is quite nice. That's a super crazy white. I mean, that's white as a piece of paper. Then we have our camera button. We have our power button. We have the volume rocker, our action button, USB Type-C, and speakers. And of course, your camera on the back. So this is now 6.9 inches. I think this is like the biggest phone of any of the mainstream companies that you can now buy. 6.9 is like the Samsung is like 6.8. Google is 6.8. This thing is a big screen. So definitely a bigger phone this year. Y'all let me know what you think. Like I said, stay tuned for a bunch of comparison videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.